good morning. This is already our second day here in Vietnam. So we are currently here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and we are preparing. We are preparing to go to Hanoi. Doon kami magkikita ng sister ko. So my sister flew from Dubai to Hanoi, and we came from Philippines to Ho Chi Minh City. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Hanoi, Saigon Airport. And then magta-travel kami going to Hanoi to see my sister, and then we will go to Sapa at the same time. We are just preparing. It's already 5:18 here in Vietnam. My outfit going to Saigon Airport. This one. And then I'm gonna wear only shoes kasi shoes lang yung dala ko, isang shoes. We're already here at the airport. So we're lucky because we came here very early. Wala medyong tao nung nag-line up kami for check-in. Tapos after namin check-in, ang dami na ng tao. Tapos Vietnam kayo, tapos magta-travel kayo domestic, you have to come here early kasi yung mga Vietnamese, they don't know how to line up. Yung iba talaga, they really insert on their lines. So that's one of the disadvantage here. Finally, nakalabas na rin sa walang katapusang linya, and ngayon kakain muna kami kasi wala pa kami breakfast. Linya na ulit tayo para sasakyan na naman ng eroplano. Another one. We just arrived. Oh. Automatic. And here's my sister. My sister arrived yesterday while we were still in Ho Chi Minh City. And ito yung second Airbnb namin dito sa Hanoi. Wala ni isang tao kami nakita. So, nag-message lang kami sa Airbnb na parating na kami. And nag-send lang sila ng code para ma-access namin yung lock kung nasaan yung key. Kain na muna kami kasi wala pa kaming lunch and pagkatapos ito maglilibot-libot kami dito sa Hanoi. Hirap lagi na tanan. Kailangan mo ipot ang Hi guys! Niento mi og kuan store diri sa Hanoi. Mag-unbox ta sa atong Onitsuka Tiger. Okay, unbox. Ay, okay. Dagmay man ilang kuan 37. So this is Onitsuka Tiger. This is in size 38. One, and then two, what's this? Manual, I don't know what's this. Onitsuka Tiger. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, we're going to Sapa, Vietnam. 6 or 7 hours from Hanoi. We are in Hanoi now. So we will arrive in Sapa, Vietnam morning already. We will ride sleeper bus. Let's go. I'm wearing Onitsuka. Mata may 4th floor. Kaya namin sa 6th floor. Wala mong room. Without benches. Bam! Super gamay ilang elevator there sa kwan.
Ang kitchen.
Ayo!
Món cồn trái.
Aduh. Ano ka? Kakarating lang namin dito sa HK bus line. Pinisakay muna nila kami ng small bus papunta dito kung saan nakapark yung sleeper bus na sasakyan namin. So ito na yon, and kailangan namin hubarin yung shoes namin before pumasok sa loob kasi they believe cleanliness is next to godliness. Charis. We are now settled and nagre-ready lang kami kung ano yung dapat i-ready namin. I-ready yung sarili kasi baka mahilo kami dito.
So, tulog na Kern, nag-sleeper bus mo. At tumigsapa.
If they are curious how we got here, actually my sister booked this. She took 3 rooms but I don't know if this is what they call room kasi nasa bus siya. Kung dalawa lang naman kayo, pwede naman kayo sa isang room talaga. So ito yung makikita nyo sa pagpasok nyo sa inyong room. May salamin sila. Tapos they have headset and free water as well as TV. Kung couple kayo, pwede naman kayong mag-isa lang na room kasi good naman siya. Talagang nagtitipid talaga kayo. Pwede naman kayo sa isang room. And here, may sarili kayong window. It's up to you kung i-open mo siya or you have to close the window. Pero ako kasi in-open ko yung window kung hindi ako tulog. Pero pag tulog ako, I will close the window. Sobrang unique yung sleeper bus na kasi may massage bed sila. So, you have the controller. It's up to you kung saan yung gusto nyo i-massage. Nasa controller yun lahat. So, here we go. Papunta na kami doon sa Sapa. So, this is 6 to 7 hours travel. And this is what it look like kung nag-under na siya. So, kung hindi ako natutulog, kailangan kong buksan kasi baka mahilo ako. Kain-kain lang muna tayo ng chips kasi mamaya matutulog tayo kasi sobrang tagal pa ng biyahe na to, 6 to 7 hours. So, let's go! So, may 3 stops yung bus and then every stops pwede kayong mag-CR or pwede kayong bumili ng mga pagkain. So, ito yung mga binili namin na pagkain tapos naghihintay lang kami na lumarga na ulit. So, yung ibang tao, mas pinili nilang matulog kaysa sa kumain. Siguro, hindi sila gutom. So, nasobrahan yung tulog ko, kaya pagising ko, sobrang lamig na talaga. Nandito na kami sa Sapa, Vietnam. So, this is the mountain side of Vietnam, kung saan malamig siya. And, kailangan mo talagang puntahan ng 6 to 7 hours. You will know why. Sobrang worth it yung 6 to 7 hours. And wow, this is just so amazing view. Dito pa lang sa Kawalan.